In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Sierra Chart. If you're new to this platform, Sierra Chart is professional trading and charting software, and the safest way to get it is directly from the official website. I'll walk you through the download process on Windows and share helpful tips so everything goes smoothly. First, head to the official Sierra Chart website. Take a moment to confirm you're on the real site before you proceed. Downloading software from unofficial sources can cause problems. Once you're there, look for the software download section. That's where the latest version of the installer is always posted, so you know you're getting the most up-to-date and secure build. Next, choose your download. On Windows, the standard choice is Download Sierra Chart, 64-bit. This is the version most modern computers use, and it's the simplest path for installation. You might also see mirror links. These are identical copies hosted on other servers. They're useful if the main download is slow or temporarily busy. If you prefer a zip package instead of the installer, there are many versions listed there too. The zip option is handy if you like a more manual setup, but for most people, the regular installer is the easiest and fastest route. Click the download link and save the file to your computer. Your browser will usually place it in the Downloads folder by default, but you can choose a different location if you prefer. It's a good idea to remember where you saved it so you can find it quickly. Once the download finishes, run the installer by double-clicking the .exe file. If Windows asks whether you want to allow the app to make changes, that's a standard security prompt. Choose to continue so the installer can set up the software properly. Make sure other programs are closed to avoid any interruptions during installation. Now follow the on-screen prompts in the installer. This typically includes agreeing to the license terms and confirming or changing the installation location. The default options work well for most users, and you can simply click through each step. The installer will then copy the necessary files to your system and finalize the setup. When the installer completes, you're all set. You've successfully downloaded Sierra Chart from the official source and prepared it on your Windows machine. If you ever need an alternative server, remember those mirror links are available, and if you prefer manual control, the zip builds are listed as well. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring Sierra Chart.